You divide your Post UTME score by 2. So 80 divided by 2, which will give us 40. So your Post UTME point is 40. So back to UTME score. Are you planning to apply to UI? Let me show you how to calculate your aggregate score for UI. You don't need O level to calculate your aggregate score for UI. You only need two things, and the two things are Post UTME score and your UTME score. UI organizes Post UTME exam, which is all over 100, so make sure you take note of that. So let me show you how to calculate your aggregate score. But before we continue, UI represents University of Ibadan. That is UI, University of Ibadan, and it has been existing for a very long time. It's one of the first university that was created in Nigeria. So we only need UTME score and Post UTME score to calculate your aggregate score for UI. If you have below 200, don't bother applying there. That university is a very competitive university. So your UTME score, assuming you have 250 in your UTME score and in your Post UTME score, you need to have at least minimum of 50 points. If you have below 50, you will not be considered for admission no matter the course you are planning to study. So it is over 100. Assuming you have 80 over 100 in your Post UTME score, how are you going to use it? You divide your Post UTME score by 2. So 80 divided by 2, which will give us 40. So your Post UTME point is 40. So back to UTME score. How do you calculate your UTME score? You calculate your UTME score by dividing by over 8. 250 divided by 8. So let's press calculator. 250 divided by 8 will give us 31.25. So that tells you that UTME score is 50%, while Post UTME score is 50%. So if you are studying or planning to do competitive courses in UI, you need to have very high score, at least 280 for medicine, law, at least 280. Why? Is because you need a very strong aggregate score, which is minimum of 80. 71 cannot study medicine. 71 aggregate score cannot study medicine at UI. So let's add it together. 31.25 plus 40 will give us total will be 71.25. So assuming you have 300, it will boost. Assuming you have 300 or 280, it will boost aggregate score. So with this, you should be able to calculate aggregate score for UNIBADAN easily. And if you are interested in applying for their Post UTME form, for UI Post UTME form, just contact this number to apply for the Post UTME form. And if you are interested in getting admission updates or tips, just contact this number to get that. See you in the next one, and I wish you success.